Think about how many times you've wanted to sear a perfect steak, cook some bacon, or enjoy a cozy indoor Korean barbecue night, only to hesitate because you knew it would leave your entire place smelling like a grease factory for days. If you live in an apartment, a college dorm, or a home with a completely useless kitchen exhaust, the TUCO Portable Range Hood is about to completely change how you cook. What makes this sleek, black countertop device so brilliant is that it brings heavy-duty ventilation right to where the action is. No remodeling required. It packs a powerful, 3-speed exhaust fan that pulls smoke, steam, and heavy odors right out of the air before they can spread across your room. Instead of just blowing the air around, it pulls it through an advanced, 5-layer filtration system that traps grease, captures odors, and acts as a dedicated air purifier for your cooking space. It even features a built-in oil cup to catch residue, making cleanup incredibly easy. Despite its impressive suction power, it runs with a remarkably low noise level, so you can still chat or watch TV while cooking. It is compact, incredibly portable, and finally gives you the freedom to cook whatever you want, whenever you want, completely smokeless. If you are ready to upgrade your indoor cooking game and keep your living space smelling fresh, click the link below for the best price. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick and reliable gear breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what smoky dish you would cook first with this on your counter. See you in the next one.